To fix the screen turn upside down in Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook, you have to make sure that the display orientation is set to 0 degree or default. Since accessing setting menu while the screen is turned upside down is quite difficult, you can easily rotate the screen by using the keyboard shortcut. All you need to do is simply pressing the Ctrl key, the Shift key, and the F3 or reload key on the keyboard at the same time. If you still don't get the desired orientation, repeat the keyboard shortcut until your screen is in the right orientation. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.